how the Vox Singing Academy franchise system can make you $150,000 to $250,000 a year. It is very, very predictable if you follow our syllabus and our training guidelines. First and foremost, we train you up correctly to execute the Vox Singing Academy syllabus so that you're guaranteeing results in 3 weeks. Our secret sauce is diagnosing what the student is doing incorrectly and then fixing that as quickly as we can. And we'll teach you how to do this in our training seminars before you start teaching. You'll have the support structure through every single aspect of teaching and running your singing academy with the expert team at Vox Singing Academy to guide you through every single step and answer any questions or queries that you may have 24/7. Students, we will guarantee that you'll have an influx of students and a continual influx of students with our marketing techniques that we've been developing over the last 30 years. Vox Singing Academy is at the peak of marketing, and we have our own marketing team that works for us, that works on different platforms using AI, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X. We post on all of these, and we also do advertising on a lot of these platforms, including Google AdWords. Branding. Vox Singing Academy is a brand. Everyone knows about Vox Singing Academy, particularly in Melbourne. We have an impeccable reputation in Melbourne. We have literally hundreds of 5-star Google reviews and Facebook reviews and testimonials on our website. We have literally hundreds of high profile singers with major label recording contracts that endorse Vox Singing Academy and what we do.